How to pull apart stuck photos. Photos stuck together? Oh no! If you try to pull too hard, you'll probably also pull the image color, or print off, or create tears. Here's a nifty trick that might help you. Steps. 1. Assemble the photos that are stuck together. After trying to gently pull them apart, you'll know whether or not they need stronger treatment. 2. Get a hairdryer. Place it on the low heat setting. 3. Hold the pile of stuck photos in front of you in one hand, and place the hairdryer on low setting in your other hand. Gently heat the stack of photos up slightly. 4. Turn off the hairdryer. Using your fingers, gently tease apart the photos while still warm. It helps to work on a flat surface like the dining table. Continue to pull apart the stuck photos until they are all unstuck. You may need to gently reheat the stack every now and then to keep the process going. 5. Store your photos away from moisture and preferably in a photo album. 6. If this process doesn't work, take your photos along to a reputable photo developing store and ask them if they can help you. Things. Hairdryer. Flat work surface.